My video guide is about getting rid of the browser notifications and pretty intrusive advertisements that are related to the site Vipdatingtoday.top. Vipdatingtoday.top is a malicious site that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you click on a special allow button, supposedly to help you watch some video. But to click on allow is extremely dangerous. The point is that this would immediately hijack your browser with multiple pop-up windows that would be displayed in the form of web push notifications. If you mistakenly click on allow, your browser would be hijacked and contaminated with multiple pop-ups that will be attacking the screen in the form of web push notifications. So if you mistakenly click on allow, fix your browser by going to the menu, settings, privacy and security, site settings, then go down to permissions and choose notifications. Pay careful attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications. Remove the malicious site from the list. Finally, I recommend that you carefully investigate your device with the help of Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to detect and delete other threats from your computer, and you will be able to remove other threats from the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.